Now we'll look for the cell referencing for the data contained in different areas of a worksheet. Now this is the worksheet. These two cells may be considered as the different areas of the worksheet. Now suppose for this we'll take an example. We have to find the difference of cost of bread between the month of January and April. So this is the row for bread, and this one is the cost of January, and this one is the cost of April. So we have to find the difference between these 2 months. So these are the two different locations of the sheet. So we'll try to find out the difference of the cost. So for that, again we'll have to follow the same process. First of all, put that equal to simply. Instead of clicking upon that cell, you can also name the cell. So what is the name for this cell? Yes, it is B3. So we can write simply B3 minus. So to find the difference, I'll put that minus sign. And for this April month, it is, what is the name of the cell? For this April month, it is E3. E3. So we'll simply write E3. That's all, and press enter. We get the answer as 68. So we can find the difference between 100 and 32 is 68. So this is how we can get the answer using this cell reference in different areas of a worksheet. So these are the two ways in which we use cell referencing. Now, the third one is the data on other worksheets in the same workbook. Data on different worksheets on the same workbook. So this is the workbook, and there are different sheets here. You can see named as Sohan, Mohan, some like this. So now I'll try to find out. There is one more sheet you can see here. It is sum. So I have planned to find the sum of total expenses of Sohan and Mohan for a particular month for bread, butter, jam and fruit. So suppose I wish to find the cost for that January month. So I'll write here Jan, and I have to find the cost for bread, butter, jam and fruit for Sohan and Mohan. So what shall we do? It is also quite simple. First click upon Sohan. First of all, you have to click upon the cell in which we have to get the sum. So simply put that equal to, and get back to the cell which we want to add. We want to add this bread, cost of bread for the month of January of Sohan. So we will click upon it and get back to the sum sheet and put a plus sign. Again get back to the sheet of Mohan and click upon the cost of bread for the month of January of Mohan's worksheet. That's all. Now get back to the same sheet and simply enter. You will get the cost is 155. Now we can verify it. The cost for Sohan it is 100, and the cost for Mohan it was 55, and the cost of the two is 155. So it is right. Again, so this is how we find the cost using cell referencing in different sheets of a workbook. So these are the two different sheets of namely Sohan and Mohan, and we have got the sum in the different sheet, that is sum name. It is named as sum. So this is how we can get the we can calculate about the data contained in different sheets of the same workbook. So that's all for today's class, all about cell referencing. Next we'll study in the next class. Thanks for watching.